Each year, over 30,000 Missourians are victims of domestic and sexual violence. In 2007, Missouri enacted the Safe at Home Act. The purpose of the law is to give victims of abuse a layer of security to prevent their assailants from locating them. KCPD's victim advocate, Jennifer Miller, explains how the program works.
It's a safety mechanism that once a victim of one of those offenses decides to really make themselves safe, they will participate in the Safe at Home program, sit down with an applicant assistant, fill out the application, make sure that the criteria is met for their participation. Then it's explained to them how the program works, how they stay safe. Their mail goes to a P.O. box in Jefferson City, Missouri. It is checked every day by a Safe at Home employee. Then that mail is sent to the safe address of the participant. So the only people that know the safe address are the participant and the Safe at Home staff. The participant does not pay anything for this. They just make the decision that it's time to do this. They fill out the application, which includes this card that is sent to them by the Secretary of State's office. They sign their name to it, and there's information on the back as well that briefly explains the address. Then if they need to make a police report or any formal type of documentation, this tells the police officer or whoever's involved with them that yes, they are using a P.O. box number and this is why. It's important for officers to know this when they take the police reports, because ordinarily they don't use P.O. boxes. This card is not actual size. It will fit in someone's wallet or billfold. An officer typically would not accept a P.O. box as a legal address for a police report. Having this card showing that the person that they have contact with is a member of this program or participating in the program allows them to use this P.O. box, and it is in the state statutes as well. It's one piece of the safety toolkit, as I said, but it's a very important component, because once a person has decided to make themselves safe and they move, then there's only two entities that know that address, that safe address.
In addition to using the Safe at Home Act card with law enforcement, it can be used for other public record entities such as the Department of Revenue, driver's license, non-driver's license, vehicle registration, voter registration, school records, Department of Social Services, library cards, and court records. For additional information about the program and resources available to abuse survivors, you can go to the web address on your screen. I'm Officer Shelley Gaddis. Have a safe week.